Everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showcasing the LG dual screen kit and the LG G8x ThinQ from AT&T. We want to thank them for sending this kit and phone to try out. So we'll go straight into the unboxings here. The LG dual screen will start off first on the left side. Over here we have the dual screen. It gives you a little LED display up top, and then inside, to charge it, it has a little connector that's very strong for USB Type-C power. So when you have the case on, as you can see the USB Type-C port here, so you have to have something outside of the case to charge it, and they give you this magnetic. So Apple should have come up with something like this. This is very cool. I actually think this is probably one of the best features of this whole dual screen setup, is this magnetic connector. Apple really needs to get on the ball with that. Here's the dual screen. It's the same quality, same resolution, and it even has the same notch at the top. So we'll go ahead and show you that in just a moment. So there's that right there, and then here's the phone. And I've turned it on already and I've set it up. So as you can see, it has the 5Ge signal. We'll go ahead and get a little closer on that. That's the interim signal that AT&T has between 4G LTE and 5G. So 5Ge is just basically a faster version of 4G LTE. Going further inside the box, and I can definitely confirm with speed tests that 5Ge is faster than standard 4G LTE. I've done speed tests from Los Angeles and other parts of Northern California. Here's the SIM eject tool. This phone comes with 128 gigs of storage space. It's called Aurora Black. It also has 6 gigabytes of RAM, and it's running Android 9 software. You have some more documentation, some product safety information as well, and a setup guide. So it shows you how to get started, where all the buttons are. There's 2 cameras on the back, camera on the front. So this phone, even though it's similar to the LG G8 ThinQ, it is a different phone. It has different features. The screen resolution is a little different. Still an OLED panel on the front, but we like that a lot. Here's some of the apps that it comes with. It comes with a myriad of AT&T apps for you to use. Right there, even TV and DirecTV. And then you have some essential apps that come with it from LG. You have LG Pay, and it automatically downloads a few games. You can, of course, delete these after the fact if you don't want them, but it's cool to have some games to start with. Has DC Universe. It has Pluto TV, Pandora. Has some shopping apps and social media apps that are pre-installed as well. We like that a lot. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and connect this to the dual screen. So we open this up a little bit, slide this in, and then pop it into the case. There we go. Now it's fully secure. We're going to take the charger off, but we do like this a lot. I enjoy that the magnetics are so strong, so we like that. And now that it's connected, this little icon here has shown up on the side of the screen. We can tap on it, we can move it around to either side of the phone, but basically this is the dual screen mode. So we've gone ahead and turned it on. You have 2 screens now. We're going to go ahead and open up the AT&T page here, and then you just press this button right here, and then you can say put main screen to sleep. You can show dual screen or swap screens. So now we've moved it over here, and you can go up and down with the data here, and then you can have another app running over here as well if you'd like. And then if you want to, you could put this main screen to sleep, as I mentioned just moments before, and then the right screen will go dark. So you can specifically use the left screen if you want. The screen is still on, but it's very dark, so it saves battery power. And when you close it, you get the time, charge level, date. We like that screen as well. It's reminiscent of another case from a different company, but we like that it's dual screen. We also like that it goes all the way back, so it folds completely over if you want. So 2-screen phone, and you have access to all the buttons all the time. Here's your volume up and down, your power button as well. And like I said, it has dual cameras on the back, so we'll get to that. It has a standard camera and a wide angle lens camera as well. So here it is, the LG dual screen with the LG G8x ThinQ smartphone. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Instagram. Thank you.